How's it, everyone? Finally back in Las Vegas, and this afternoon it's 115 degrees, so I'm going to keep this short. It's hot. Anyway, this upcoming video is kind of a part 2 from the video we took about 5 years ago when we were hiking in La Tigra. That was the national forest in Honduras near the capital, where we tried to find a waterfall and didn't quite find it. This time, with a different group of folks, we approached the waterfall from a different trail, and we found it finally. Have some pretty good video from the drone, even though flying the drone without GPS signals is a little tricky, but managed to do it. And at the end of the video, there'll be a couple of outtakes I'm happy to share with you. And let's check out the video. Here they are. No dying on the trail. We don't have time for that.
Hello guys, we had a new video here at Las Cascadas. We're going to Las Cascadas. Yep. We're here like 1 hour for Las Cascadas. Yep.
Hey, that was my friend Josue trying to give me an intro to this video. And I don't know if you folks remember our La Tigra video from about 5 years ago. We spent a couple of hours on the trail trying to find a waterfall, and I know we got really close, probably 20 minutes away from the waterfall, but we were running out of time, so it was an abandoned attempt. But today we are parked near Valley of the Angels, and we're going to approach the waterfall from the other direction. So let's see how well we do. Looks to be a pretty popular trail. We parked just off the road in a private parking lot, and this dog has been following us. Walks kind of funny. Guess he's going to go with us all the way to the falls. I don't know. There are the girls picking up the rear. Whoa. All right, well, there's a stream. It's few houses along the trail. And somewhere upstream is the waterfall. Yep, another sign we're on the right trail, but it doesn't say how far we have to go. La Cascada, we found it! We found it! Okay. There aren't too many hiking trails that come with their own restaurant. But is restaurant canopy even open? That is the question. The gate's closed. There's more water over here to the right. Yep, I don't think the restaurant's open. Oh well. Now, if I get a video of you falling on your rear end, your sister's gonna laugh hers off. Here comes Carlos, Dilcia's brother. Largo distancia, huh? There's a cool little natural formation here. Gotta be careful. It's not slippery. See. See if we can get a better view from over here. Love all these colors. I like that.
Miren el galón. El dron.
Yeah, why not?
Muro de contención.
Sí. It's not really a cave. It's poured concrete. Maybe somebody used to live here. Interesting. We're getting pretty close to the waterfall. We walked by a smaller one. Look how clear that water is. Yeah, La Tigra water is known for being pretty fresh. Isn't that right, Dilcia?
Yeah, but never.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I guess the big waterfall is yet to come. See.
Look back.
Look up, Dilcia. Big overhang.
Oh, this is some orchideas, orchids. Yeah, look at orchids.
Big roots.
Son orquestas.
Espérate, papi. Josué.
Uncle's got it. Thank you.
Está como el agua de Minas de Oro.
Gets kind of narrow around here. Ooh, look at this waterfall. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna need both hands for this. Sí, creo. Cold water.
Like 5 degrees or like 10 degrees.
Como 15 grados está esta agua de hielo.
All right, woohoo! Chelsea es inteligente, tiene los zapatos del agua, por el agua.
Más al frente, más al frente.
You brought the proper shoes this time.
Arriba, más arriba.
Oh, yo pensé que ya estaba acá.
No, si estamos cerca, solo de la vuelta nada más, de la esquina. No, sí, sí.
Ya rato vengo escuchando la esquina yo y no veo nada.
Ya, donde están las personas, ya el mundo aquí.
Been hiking for about an hour and a half. I lost my windscreen, so I hope this audio isn't going to be too loud with the waterfall, but look at this. It only took us 5 years to find it. And I think there might be another waterfall around the corner. Just waiting for traffic to move. There we go. Okay. Oh, get ready for a picnic over here. Yossi, you want to take the camera and look at the big waterfall? You got water shoes on, I don't. I can see a little bit from here. Boy, ooh, it's tall. I'm gonna have to rely on Dilcia's video. But boy, this is something. Not quite Tantalus size waterfall, a little bigger than that. It's very popular. It's got to be about 50 people. Oh, we're good. Of course, kids will be kids climbing the wet rocks. Hopefully they don't slip. So anyway, that's it for the waterfall near Lac Tigra. And stay tuned for more. Oh, ahora, video de Carlos.
Ese tiene cañaña. Más que tiene que cargarle las cosas a Lucía.
Lucía, la mía.
Ajá.
Vaya, pasen pues.
Las nietas.
Para acá.
Paquito, ¿dónde está ido? Paquito, Paquito, ¿dónde está ido? Paquito, ¿ya te fijaste? Ah, bueno, aquí solo está. Ya sabes cómo es, te enferma. Ahora protector. Lourdes va a pagar los patos. ¡Paquito! ¡Hola, Paquito! ¡Ay, mira, me está atacando!
Que Paco así no habla, ahorita que en la cárcel.
¡Hola,
Para que
Paquito!
hable, venite a la metida. Venite. Para acá afuera. Hola, a la caputín. Hola, Grey. Venite, Grey. Hola, a la caputín. La caputín. A la caputín, tin, tin. La caputín, hombre, la caputín.
¿Listo?
No quiere cantar, viejito con el viejito.
Hola,
Fabricio, hola.
Hola.
hola,
Hola, Grey.
Hola.
Por me dijo. Decirle hola, que diga hola, gringo.
Hola, Grey. Hola, gringo, ¿cómo estás? Oído.
Oh, bien.
Dile, hola, gringo.
Hola, gringo, dile.
Le va a poner con la semillita, ¿vale?
Hola. Hola, gringo. Voy a poner arriba un poquito. Hola, gringo. Hola, Grey.
Y no se va a ver.
A la caputín, tin, tin. Esta noche va a llover.
Orbe.
Hola. Hola.
Hola.
Ahí está, tómela.
Hola. Hola,
How's it, everyone? Got my posse today. Got Josue over here, say hi. And there's Dilcia and Lourdes, Dilcia's sister, trying a new app. Hey. So with this app, I can use both cameras on the phone so you can see what I'm looking at. Meanwhile, I can talk to you. I don't know if you can hear me. I don't have the microphone plugged in, so this will be experiment number 1. And I'm not using the microphone because I have to plug it in. It's kind of a pain to drag the wire around. But we are in Valley of the Angels. I was here a few years ago. The place has changed a little bit, but it still has its unique culture to it. And I think we're looking for a restaurant. But in the meantime, there's a lot of cool places to go shopping. You're a big shopper, right, Josue? You love to shop, don't you, with the adults? And you said that with a straight face. I don't believe you. Hanging out with the adults shopping. What's wrong with you? You're a kid. You're supposed to be having fun. Yeah, we'll try to have fun sometime today before the rains come. Hey, a dog in the street. Go figure. All right, I'm going to kill the camera for now and resume later.